Understanding merge sort.
Merge sort is a popular sorting algorithm that leverages the divide and conquer approach. Instead of sorting a list all at once, merge sort breaks the problem into smaller, more manageable parts, then combines the results. This method helps it sort lists efficiently, making it a favorite for sorting large data sets in computing.
What is divide and conquer?
The divide and conquer strategy involves breaking a problem into smaller subproblems, solving each one, and then combining the results. For sorting, this means splitting a list into smaller sections until each section is easy to work with. This technique is both efficient and reliable, forming the core of many advanced algorithms.
Divide step in merge sort.
In merge sort's divide step, the list is repeatedly split into two halves. This continues until each piece has only one item, which is always sorted by default. These repeated splits lay the groundwork for the following steps and are key to the divide and conquer approach.
Conquer and merge steps.
After dividing the list, the conquer step sorts and merges the pieces. Pairs of single-item lists are compared and combined to form sorted two-item lists. This merging repeats, building up larger sorted groups until the entire list is put back together in order. This merging process ensures efficiency and accuracy.
Why merge sort is efficient?
By using divide and conquer, merge sort sorts data in O(n) log n time. This makes it faster than many simpler sorting methods like bubble sort. Its systematic splitting and merging steps handle even large lists smoothly, making merge sort a reliable and scalable choice for sorting tasks.